નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with another poem, that is the Bol poem. One thing I'll tell you, this Bol poem is very, very simple poem. This Bol poem is the incident and experience of all the students, all the persons, those who are on this earth. Then why it is here in the form of a poem? This will be a natural question to you all. And answer also I'll give you. And that answer is what? The Bol poem is not simply a poem. The Bol poem is a very fantastic learning lesson in our life. What's here in this Bol poem? Basically, here a boy is explained. A boy loses a ball. That's all finished. We also would have lost a pen, a pencil, a book, so many things. In place of ball, you will keep so many things. And this is the experience, incident of a general human being. And the boy is very, very upset. The ball, same ball, does not cost much, nor is it difficult to buy another ball. Very simple. Hardly cost 30 rupees, 50 rupees. We have not lost the life. We can purchase another ball of 50 rupees, 100 rupees. What's wrong with that? Then why the boy is so upset? If we'll read this poem, we will come to know. The poet John Barryman has given a fantastic lesson to all of us in our life with this poem. What is the boy now? What is the boy now? What is the condition of the boy now? He is upset. Who has lost his ball? What? What is he to do? જાને યાર ઘરે જાને યાર બીજો લઈને આઈ લો આવ. Simple one. I saw it, the condition, how it's going. It, the ball. I saw it going, how the ball was going. Ball was going merrily, happily, bouncing. ઉછળતો કૂદતો ભાગી ગયો દડો. ક્યાં સુધી મેં જોયો? Down till the street, and then merrily over the street. Next to that, it's in the water. Very simple, very simple. રમતા હોઈએ આપણે, રમતા દડો જતો રહે, આગળ જતો રહે, પાણીમાં જતો રહે, કાદવમાં જતો રહે. This is the common condition we would have faced in our life. And the same thing is told over here. Next line is very important. No use to say, oh, there are another balls in my pocket, in my house. No use to say. શું કામ? An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. Grief, sadness. As and when the boy lost the ball, he became so sad. He was with the grief, he was with the pain, he was with the sadness. As he lost his ball, as he stands there, how he stands there? He stands there with rigidity, with stiffness. He is trembling. Oh, I lost my ball, I lost my ball. He is staring down, gazing, tiki tiki na jo aisa. Rigid, stiffness, trembling, shaking, and staring down. Only for the ball. All his young days into the harbor. What's written? All his young days into the harbor. The word is used here, harbor, where his ball went. Harbor. Basically, where ships in the ocean, in the sea, will be parked safely. That place is known as harbor. But here, harbor is used in the meaning of safety, own existence. All his young days are passed there with the harbor, into the harbor, safety, where his ball went. I would not intrude on him. I will not say anything else. A dime, another ball is worthless. This is the central idea of this poem. Another ball is worthless. What you are having, if you have lost it, you should have the valuation of that. If you don't have valuation of that, your life is zero. Got the idea? This is the cheek slap, or the slap on our cheeks. Another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. This is your responsibility. If you are having something, you should have capacity to rear it. You should have capacity to hold it. You should have capacity to protect it. He senses, he understood. First thing is responsibility. You should have responsibility for this. If you will not have, you will lose it. In a world of possession, people will take balls. What is this? What is the scenario of this world? People will take this ball, and then afterwards, ball will be lost always. Ball is equal to opportunity of the life. You will go for another opportunity of your life. બોલપેન ખોવાઈ ગઈ છે, નવી બોલપેન લઈ લો. This is the condition of a little boy, but he senses first time in his life that it was his responsibility to protect him. If a person is Otherwise, her, if feminine gender, is with or eat pen, pencil, scale, pen, book, etc. And no one buys a ball bag. No one buys a ball bag. Money is not the matter, money is external matter. We are thinking about the internal matter. Each one is able to purchase it. It's not for money. He is learning from this incident. Well behind his desperate eyes, who is thinking sadly for something with the vision. The epistemology of loss, the word is used here, epistemology, a study, a thinking about the loss. And that thinking is what? How to stand up. Something is not with you. At the time, how you will come up from that thing, that you have to learn. This is the knowing, this is the learning. What every man must one day not, every man must one day not. How to come up from that situation, that you have to learn. And most of the people know it after many days. What we have to learn from this poem, this thing only. How to stand up in our life with or without anything. Got the idea? In this way, this poem, we have completed the ball poem. The ball poem is very simple one, but this ball poem is fully connected with our own existence, where to live, how to live, and how to come up from our loss. Okay, got the idea? Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.